Good day, grade sevens. Um, this video is going to be about life orientation and creative arts. I just wanted to touch base with you guys on how far you are with the life orientation, for example. So you needed to initially from the start I wanted you to do a the boys needed to do a WhatsApp message. It was a case study on puberty. So you had to read the case study, and then you had to respond. The boys had to respond to David in a WhatsApp message about the changes he was going through in his body, and the girls had to write a letter to Anna about their menstrual cycle. After that, we had to do a we started with the rights and the constitution and your rights, and then you had to write the definitions of the different words and the rights that we have. You had to write that down, and then after that you had to do a reflection. And I also wrote in that instruction for the reflection, it was important for me to for you to work through emotions on of how you're experiencing lockdown at the moment. We're not all in the same space. I've experienced a lot of emotions, like I've explained. I've experienced some down days, I've experienced some up days, but I've had to speak about my emotions in order to process it. And that was the main aim about the reflection. And I think it is important for you guys to do that reflection every week. Write down your emotions that you are going through, because every week is going to be different. This week you might be happy and you've really focused on your schoolwork and you've been able to do everything every day. But the following week might be different. You might be just going through the motions. You might just be sitting on the couch, just sitting with your phone, chatting with your friends, basically wasting time. But that's all you could do, and that's okay. It's okay to have those days where you don't feel like doing anything, but you need to acknowledge those emotions and you need to process them. So it's very important that you have someone that you speak to, especially about your emotions, because if you are going to bottle emotions up, you're going to get so frustrated and so you're going to feel like nobody understands you. But when you've had enough, you are going to explode. It's like a pressure cooker. You have this lid and you continuously just bottling up your emotions and you're bottling up your emotions, and eventually the pressure gets so much that what happens? It explodes. And then you take out your frustrations out on the wrong people. So it's important for me that if you don't have anybody to share your emotions with, and you don't have a relationship with your parents where you can express your emotions, I suggest you write down your reflections. So it's important for you to write and express your emotions in your reflections. So please do it. Okay. That's how far we got with the life orientation. I'd like to go on with more work, but I want you just this time, like, so last this week you needed to write the week ending on the 8th, you needed to write the reflection, and then this week, which is ending on the 14th, Thursday, 15th is Friday, I also want you to do a reflection. So I'm not giving new work for life orientation this week. Just do the reflection. Then, creative arts. You had, I only gave you 2 weeks worth of work, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So you had to do the notes on the voice modulation. You also then had to do a research on Joel Levenberg, and then you had to answer the questions on Joel Levenberg. Again, here I'm not going to move on. Okay, I just want everybody to be on the same page. It is important that you first do your research on Jill, and then you do the questions on her. And then next week, I will do the answers or the memo of those questions. So I hope that now I just want to stress that I know that we are in difficult times. I know that we are all not on the same page. I know that everybody is going through a lot of struggles and challenges. But I also want to say to you, please try your utmost best to get your work up to date. I can't move forward if everybody is not on the same page. And I want you all to be on the same page. So, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the day further.